on away the first time because he wasn't good enough to do anything about it. And I'll do the same thing this time because he's not good enough to do anything about it. Deontay Wilder's a one-trick pony. He's got one punch power. We all know that. Great. What I'm going to do to Deontay Wilder this time is I'm going to run him over as if I'm an 18-wheeler and he's a human being. And I guarantee you he does not go past where he did before. Because before I only had 5 or 6 weeks of practicing what I was going to do to him. This time I've had 18 months of practicing what I'm going to do to him. So I anticipate it's going to be like an 18-wheeler running over somebody. And that's what you're going to see. I'm building my weight up and trying to get up to 300 pounds for this fight. Yeah, because I'm looking for a big knockout straight away. I don't believe he's mentally, physically or emotionally involved in this fight. I think he's doing it for the wrong reasons. When people do things for the wrong reasons, they always end up wind up getting hurt. So we'll see. I'm getting hurt. So I think he's doing it for the wrong reasons. When people do things for the wrong reasons, they always end up wind up getting hurt. When people do things for the wrong reasons, they always end up wind up getting hurt. When people do things for the wrong reasons, they always end up wind up getting hurt. So we'll see on fight night if I'm a man to my word and if I can run him over quicker than round 7.
Personally, I wanted to see him fight AJ. I was disappointed to hear that fall through. Very disappointed this weekend that our boy had his fight postponed. Teofimo Lopez. Well, I tell you what, feels good to sell at the top. Feels good to sell at the top. How about now? Saying it feels good to sell at the top. A few days back, I was on a live stream with Joe Saz, and we drew this picture. I drew this picture. And the more I look at this piece of art, the more it makes sense. I'm calling it the Three Amigos, the Four Horsemen of Bitcoin. The Three Amigos, the Four Horsemen of Bitcoin. You know, I don't know exactly how many videos ago or how long ago it was. Yeah, Chinaman's Chance. In fact, it's not Amigos, they're Rice Hats. Yeah, that was the original thought. It's just, as of right now, the Amigos. But, yeah, no, Chinaman Chance. We definitely can, not a Chinaman Chance. Still kind of sticking with my original theory. I don't believe 20K is the bottom. I think people are going to be wrong. I've heard a couple people say that 20K is, you know, they're going all in at 20K. I disagree. When that time comes, I believe it'll be lower. If that time comes. The time is coming. I bought back in about 30% of, a little over 30% of what I sold, I think a week ago, and I sold it back. I just can't hold on to an asset that I believe is going down. What are we on? The 2-day? Yikes. Look at that. Yikes. Look at that. I can't hold on to an asset that I believe is going down. Lower than 20K based on what? Based on what you see here. Every single time Bitcoin has a run. When it has a run, it comes back down to its previous a previous setting. Boom, came up, came down. Boom, right here. Boom, we came up. Boom, came down right here. Boom, came up. Boom, coming down at least right here. Go back in the history. Up, down, boom, down right here. Boom. Does this not look realistic to you? What a clickbait, mate. That's funny. That's what many said months ago. Many said the same thing months ago when I sold the tot and said, I don't like what's going to be coming in the future. Well, I know it's not that. Let me rephrase it. I didn't say that. But I just said time's running out. And the price was diverging, was on a moment of diverging up again against that 60K, and everyone, right here. Right here. You can go back on my channel. And it was hard because when you're a bear and everyone else is so bullish, you get bullied. The bulls bully. My little brother sold earlier than me. My little brother sold earlier than me. Never down to previous all-time high? Sure it has. Bitcoin goes down to previous all-time highs damn near all the time. Was this not an all-time high? 43K? Boom, it came down. Oh, it came down. Boom, it came down. Yes, it does. You're telling me Bitcoin's never come back down to an previous all-time high? What are you talking about? Sure it has. Sure it does. Don't I think the 30K level is really strong? No. I think it's strong enough to hold for a little bit of time. Just like 6K was, and then it'll eventually break down through. This time might be earlier. What I've been saying is, I think we're gonna bounce. Where's 30Ks? Here, let's mark it. This is ugly as hell. Oh my lord. Cycle all-time high. Where's the cycle end and begin, bro? You don't know. Don't say I'm drunk. I'm sober as fuck. Fuck off, dude. If you, it's so funny, man. Listen, I'm not the one sitting here holding bags of fucking crypto that have lost. You're the one who's drunk. You're the one who's in the red, not me. If I'm drunk and you're sober, I'd rather be drunk and sell at the top than sober and holding shit like you are. You can hold your shit bag sober. What were we talking about? I miss you guys. You know, I haven't been making videos and streams just because I haven't been trading. You know, I almost. How should I say this without people taking it? Too crazy. Well, whatever. You know, I just I don't want to say burnt out, but I mean, I don't need to, like, it's why we do what we do. You know what I mean? Like, I don't if I don't want to trade, then I don't have to. I don't want to. I just don't feel like it. We sold the top. Yeah, I need a break for sure. Yeah, honestly, it's the ugly. It's ugly. The ugly people, man. There's a lot more ugly people. Certainly do have a life, my lordy. And I gotta fucking catch up with it. Shit, you know. What were we looking at before the 2-day? Whoa. Let me go to a cleaner chart. We damn near hit our did we hit the target right here? Would you look at that, baby? Remember this? I tell you what, I said I said we were bullish going up just a little bit, but a little bit. We damn near hit exactly fucking. We came right to that line. Boom. Damn. Now, boy, this man. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, this has this. It's hard for me to say. It's hard for me to say. But yeah, my ass is short. Let the bulls try to bully. Man, I see Pompliano's saw a little thumbnail of Pompliano and his kid friend. The RSIs are oversold. Bitcoin's oversold. It's very oversold. Ooh boy. It ain't even begun. Bitcoin is oversold. Bitcoin is overbought. You look at this. Come on now. Bitcoin has been way overbought for how long? We just enter oversold territory, and you're saying it's the bottom. It's the bottom. You weren't called that. If you're gonna do the same thing, look at this length. You do the same length here. Then according to you, the top was 20K. If being oversold this long is the same as being overbought that long, then you would have said the top was 20K. See what else we got. Ooh. God, they're on the 3-day too. Gosh. This is still open. Couple bounces off 30K, doesn't surprise me. But nah, I think there's more down. We're going down, and listen, we're still in the 30s. I don't think people see it yet. I think once people see $29,000 Bitcoin, I think there might be a little capitulation. I think people have been in disbelief and they're just starting to turn. I remember watching a few other folks' interviews and videos, and there would be 3 or 4 people that are bulls and saying, nah, we're all right, nah, we're going to pull back up. And one gentleman would say, nah, I think I'm going to sell because I don't want to go through this shit again. And they bullied him. They bully him. And that man is... And get this toy out of here. Get this squirrel. What was I saying? Anyways. Yeah. Who are YouTubers that I like? Not to promote anyone else. Uh, I don't know. Yeah, the dude said, he said, I don't want to go through this shit again. And they're all like, oh, come on, what, you don't like Bitcoin? Even my friends have said, even my YouTube friends, you've heard them question me. Like, do you not like Bitcoin? I'm like, it has nothing to do with it. I do not. Sure. You know, yeah. Shout out to Billy Casper. Yeah. I think seeing the twos, we haven't seen that two yet. Man. Yeah, this isn't looking good. It's not looking good. The three amigos. The four horsemen of Bitcoin. Tell me about cycles. The people, you can't pick and choose. You can't pick and choose the start and beginning of cycles. This was a previous all-time high. It came, boom, it came right back down to it. Was this not a cycle? Was this not a cycle? Man, I'm telling you the shit people come up with. Man, I'm telling you the shit people come up with. My lord. My lord. Yeah, keep buying those dips, bro. That may be true, but there's plenty more to go down. That's all right. Listen, do you, folks, if you're successful and you're confident, do you. No one's going to love you as much as you love yourself. No one's going to do whatever. If you're right, great, you can take care of your family. You know, I just share what I do. Sell in May, walk the fuck away. And that's what I've been doing. I've walked away. I've been playing World of Warcraft. Hanging out with my family. Hanging out with my friends. Oops. I've had 3 or 4 trades. They were all good. Except the one fucking trade I tried to signal to my people. Other than that, I'm like 3 for 4. And the one I got wrong was just a little scalp shot. There was a little scalp long. I thought I was going to be able to hit. Price went up like $100. And then it went down more. Took a loss on it. It was unfortunately the one I signaled to my community. Happens once in a while. So be it. I play the classic World of Warcraft that they relaunched. The Burning Crusade expansion. They released it, so that's what me and my brother have been going ham on. Yay! Ugh. I can't give you financial advice, bro. There's a wise lady. I heard a wise lady say on another YouTube video that the price can always keep going down. And we have not seen the twos yet. We haven't seen the twos, and it's crazy that it's really, it just hit me. It just hit me tonight. I was looking, I was like, damn, we are $1,000, $2,000 away from seeing 20s. Oh! Man, you look away for 1 second, we went from 60K back down to 20. You think 20's gonna be the bottom? Woo! That's not what I see. That doesn't make sense to me. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. That's fine. My lord, you see that head and shoulders. Oh, God. Here's another thing, too. Everyone contradicted themselves. They said, no one ever sees the top. No one ever sees the top. You never know what the top is. But all the tops only look like this. All the tops just look like this. So this can't be the top. So everyone's contradicting themselves. They say, tops only look like this. And nobody knows when the top is. So which is it? TA don't mean anything if there's manipulation. Incorrect. I disagree with you, my friend. TA is manipulation. I don't manipulate something unless there are certain characteristics and technicals lined up. A manipulator doesn't just fire his dick off at any random moment. They wait for certain times. They wait for certain technicals to line up. You don't just fucking push a button out of nowhere. I missed you guys. One thing is, these Armageddon. It's good to have Armageddon videos. And the truth is my last few was back at the top, and I got bullied. Yeah, trading right now would take too much energy and time. I'm not gonna sit there. I'm not gonna sit here with jagged shit. But macro, totally short. Macro, totally short. Micro, no, not right now. Thanks, Chris. I appreciate that, brother. Let's go to a cleaner chart. Woo, we nailed that move. Not the end of it, but the beginning to almost the end. fact, this was actually the lost trade we had right here. We called this shit the beginning of the move. Boom, 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 boom. But in the end here, I was looking for a bounce. Momentum was coming up. This wave right here, we had a nice little green. I longed off. I was longing off this shit. I think I longed this top too. Like right here and right here. And then now she broke down past one. This line right here. And then boop, passed down this spider line. And that was the end of that. Took the L on that one. What was I going to look at before? Okay, yeah, zoom out, zoom out. Wow, look at that. Damn, we almost can't, well, right here. We were, maybe $1,000 off. Not that much. We were close. Man, we were close for the overall projection. All right, let's back out. Let's take a look at what I really want to see. Let's go to a cleanup chart. This is... Fuck that. I'm not going to no PHEMEX bullshit. Let's go. What the fuck? What the hell is this? Bid pay? Let's go to buy. Okay. Yowzas. Look at that momentum crossing. 60 on the DBSI on the Bears. 17 on standard cam. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's the first time we got a big candle right here. Sitting right on top. Boy, you are right about that. Chinese Dong Long. Dong Long no more. This is the ultimate Chinese Ching Chong. Chinese Ching Chong. Okay. This is a continuation. If you want to talk about standard technical analysis, this is a continuation pattern. It comes down, boom, see ya. Negative BS. You're negative BS. I'm happy, man. I'm only speaking this way because I think there's too much bullshit out there. Every single day I see clickbait videos of this has never happened before, or something's shown up that's never seen before, and the one time it's happened before, we went to the fucking moon. Well, I have to tell you. Do you know what it's like on the moon? The real moon? It is cold. There is no oxygen, and you die. They say the moon rings like a bell tolls, and little aliens come out to... Well, the little aliens come out. This is the 2-day. Yeah, the 2-day And also, I mean, look at this momentum wave. It's still a lower low. We are, okay, look at this. So we're rated, okay, we've gone down about that much. You go to this previous one, they're about that much. Where were we? We were right here. There's still a lot more room to go. That was 35%. Man, this thing breaks down. That's gonna be a doozy. Oh, this one's gonna go down hard. If it does. If it is the whack-off accumulation and that's the bottom and we go up, thank God bless us all. Great news. I would rather that happen. I would rather that happen. But I don't think it is. Sailor bought more Bitcoin. I bet a lot of Sailor's investors are kind of pissed off at him. His average entry was what, 20,000? He 3x'd millions of dollars. Now it's back down to 30,000. Yikes. Now listen. These videos and these streams, the truth is the majority of people watching, they live and judge second to second. Every single move within this spring, every single bounce back, people said, oh my God, it's done. The bottom, every single time. The bottom, it's the bottom forever, bottom forever, And let me say this too. I think we are amongst a bigger issue in that the whole world, all the markets are going to go down, not just Bitcoin. I think stocks, I think everyone's going to get shit on right now. It's time. We were right about gold. We got in the bottom of gold, called the fucking top. I didn't expect it to dump like this, but this is a hard proof rejection that there is too much gold owned by too few people as far as the trades. Let me rephrase that. Well, it's true both ways. But the gold positions, 70% are from the top three assholes. Even though gold was sold out on the streets, you saw the videos in Malaysia. Lines, hundreds of people, thousands of people long and strong. Yet gold's price would not budge, because the price is dictated on when it trades at. Three motherfuckers own 70% of those trades. So, God, it's like they own the gold just on pay. They control the gold, and they don't even have to own it. That's so gay. awesome, Marketverse. Thank you for your business, bro. I appreciate that. Tesla. Ooh, come on down. Some mixed messages here on Tesla. Not this one. Check this out. Kind of similar to what Bitcoin was doing. Look at this. It's money. Okay, slowly the amount of money in the SS pair has been decreasing. It's just getting to the red. Tesla's going to have a snap down soon. You'll see. What about Ethereum? Let's take a look at it. Wow, ETH just got there too. Blood diamonds. This is a bigger trend, slowly decreasing. Ethereum's money flow wasn't as bad as Bitcoin's. Isn't as bad as Bitcoin's, but I think it's still going to be the same result. Hex, yeah, you know, that's the, Hex is like the only thing Hex is the only crypto that I am afraid to sell. If I am honest with my feelings and sharing them, yeah, that's the only, Hex is the only cryptocurrency that I haven't sold. Ooh. Man, this shit is crazy. Wow. Oh, what's going on with Doge? Is Doge okay? Oh. Dang. Did we not call this short on Doge? How long ago? Okay, well, we always have to look right here. June 17th? What was it, a week ago? It had to be recent. We were short on Doge. Cardano? Sure, let's take a look at it. Alright, let's see. 130. Oh, we want to go with this one. Oh. Yep. Yeah, man. Listen, she's gonna zig and zag, but this 2 day, man, this red dot, VWAP coming down, money flow coming down. I think, I think we got room down, and if we breach into this 29 area, oh my lord. All those gains are going to be erased away for so many people. So many people all over again. Not as much as last time, but so many people. All those people talking about Doge. Just think about all the people talking about Doge at all the dinners in multiple countries. Every single. I'm not saying I don't travel much, okay? I'm a homebody. I'm like a shell crab. But boy, when I did travel, I heard Doge at every single dinner table. And I know at least one of the four assholes at those dinner tables that put their money in Doge is not only wrecked right now, but he's going to get wrecked a lot harder coming here soon. Okay, I think we're gonna call it here. I'm gonna go take a nap.